Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Thursday the 13th of April, and today we're going to tour my room at the Travelodge North of Downtown. This is room 212, which has, I think, a queen-size bed. As for why I'm not in the heart of downtown, well, found out kinda late that I'd be going to Sakura-con, so looked for something relatively budgety and that work had discounts for, and this is what I got. But it's actually not too bad. It's right off of the RapidRide E Line, so that works out pretty nicely. This is the room, and that red awning there, that's the bus stop, so that's not bad at all, and it was like a 30-minute ride in and out of downtown, so that works for me. As you can see, I've set up my stuff a little bit, but other than that, I haven't really touched the room yet, so let's take a look at things. So you do have a swipe card for the door, you have a deadbolt and one of those guys, so that all looks good. Checkout is at 11. No fire escape plan, but the stairs are right there, so it's kind of simply that. Door's a little bit dirty, but in pretty good condition. So, the TV is a Magnavox, which has a little Xfinity mini box there. So it does have basically local Xfinity. That's the channel lineup, which looks fairly decent. Phone, you know, it's a phone. Who really uses a hotel phone these days anymore? Wardrobe is a little banged up, but in still definitely passable condition. Drawers, you know, a handful of stains here and there, but not too bad. Let's see, how about this one? Just one large stain there, otherwise pretty good. Carpet looks like it's in good condition. Bed looks like it's in really good condition. I think I just found some ants, though. Yep. Alrighty then. Well, I guess there's that. Let's see. Clock is pretty much correct. Interesting. I guess the answer from this drawer. Alrighty then. Bed, though, looks okay. Pillows feel decent. Looks like you've got, like, not very firm, and firm. In fact, actually, I think these might be swapped. I think these two guys are supposed to be back there and that guy in front, but whatever. I would say the bed passes, although, let's take a look there. That looks good. So that'll do. Already set my luggage down there. You do have a little rack with a couple of hangers, so that's good. You have your sink outside of the bathroom, which is a bit scuffed up, but passable. Sink, not too bad. You got your hand towels. There's a little smudge on that one, but that looks okay. Not sure what's going on here, though. I'm not sure if I'm going to trust this towel rack too much, but okay. Generous number of cups. Looks like there's 4. Got shampoo, conditioner, soap, so that's all taken care of. Hair dryer if you need it. Lights look better than what they were. I think they need some time to actually turn on. I'm gonna guess that this guy's the fan. Yep, fan, and I guess... oh, that's interesting. So you have fan and light and no fan. Toilet is a toilet, and I've already used it, and it works. Shower looks fine. You've got, obviously, your bath mat there, and your, you know, shower curtain and everything. That looks pretty good. 2 towels, which actually feel pretty good. That's not bad at all. In fact, that feels better than what I've had at a Hilton before, so nice. Spare toilet paper roll already loaded, trash can, how to go green, pretty much what you would, do at home, which is nice and easy. You don't have to put the card out or anything to have them not do anything. So that works. Door looks fine. You could easily put a bathrobe or whatever there. Wall looks like someone kind of went like splatter paint, but hey, it gives it some character. I'm fine with that. Doorknob looks fine. In fact, that's one better than the bus that Amtrak put me on. The knob nearly fell off while I was in that bathroom, so that was fun. And I say nearly fell off, and it actually fell off entirely. I had to kind of pop it back on. Let's see, you have a little coffee maker here with generic coffee. I'm in Seattle, so if I really need coffee, I'm sure there's a Starbucks everywhere. Oh my god, I don't even know how you would get that out, so I don't even think I'm going to attempt that. Microwave. Turntable's kind of fallen off, but is clean. I would say that's good. I don't know if this thing works or not, because there's no clock on it, and I'm not going to, turn it on while it's empty. Fridge has a bit of a dent there, but is nice and clean. You have a little ice bucket and a little freezer, which looks recently defrosted. Feels decently cool, which is good, because I am going to go to the Freddy's apparently right up the street and pick up some groceries to save that much more on lunch and dinner and all that stuff. You do have a power outlet kind of oddly down there. I'm not sure why there's one down there, but there is. I mean, you do have your GFCI outlet up there, as I would expect, so that's good. And then you do have the outlet for the fridge, obviously, which means your only really usable outlet, though, is that guy down there. So I would have liked a little bit more outlets, but it gets the job done. And that drawer looks fine. Ooh. Something might be rattling around there. Lights look decent. Let's see. We're still on fluorescent. But I mean, fluorescent still works. So yeah, about what I would expect for, I think this is a 2-star hotel or whatever. Relatively cheap. Basically just needed something that was cheap and could get to downtown still fairly easily. So I would say that meets all my expectations. So far, so good. That'll be it for now.